Here's a big shout out to Kimberly and Naeem. Thank you for your subscription and hope you had a blast in your last visit to Trinidad. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Island Mama and today we are doing baked chicken. Aha! Chicken 2 styles.
So this is green seasoning with Moroccan spices.
Okay.
Actually Turkish spices, some salt, some pepper. We spatchcock the chicken, so we cut the back out.
Nice.
And we're gonna put it on this baking tray here, and we're gonna roast it at 425 degrees for 1 hour.
Sweet. Okay. Yeah.
And then this one is green seasoning and garlic flavor. Alright, so we'll put it on the tray and we'll show you what it looks like as it's spatchcock.
Right, so it's like a clean version, just with seasoning, and this is a little spicy, is it? Nice. Okay, let's check that out. Ha! Laying its skin down. Why? Why do we have to lay its skin down?
It's just my style. I don't know what everybody else does, but this is my take.
Right.
So spatchcock by cutting it back and flipping it open.
Yeah.
Almost like butterflying it.
Ah.
Butterfly.
Do you have to take the knife and score it anyway?
You could. I did it in part of the breast, just so the seasoning gets in.
Okay.
So we have the temperature coming back up. It will come up to 425. Again, we have it skin side down, and in half an hour to 45 minutes, we'll give it a little flip.
Pretty much done now with the chicken. Looking good from this view. Let's check it out. Wow, that's smelling really good. Which one do you think tastes better? Which one? Oh, this one's spicy. This one not. The color of them is the same. With some green seasoning. I don't know. Just comparing. But the only way to really get the which one is better is by tasting it, right, folks? So we're gonna leave it to rest a little bit now.
Ideally, I will half an hour. Usually, they say you should rest it the same amount of time that you cook it, but we don't have that time, so I'll say half an hour.
We all hungry people.
Lemon. They're here, lemon, garlic.
Which one looking better? Kimberly, I'll take a bite for you. Really seasoned. You taste the seasoning down to the bone. It's really good. And that's it, folks. Until next week. Bye.